Hello guys, welcome back to our channel today. And as you can see guys, today I'm preparing, or rather we are preparing a vanilla cake, and these here are our ingredients. Today it's me and my friend, so she's the one who is going to bake.
So here we have 3 eggs, we have 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder, we have sugar 1 cup, we have vanilla essence 1 spoon, we have margarine 160 grams, we have our flour 2 cups, and our milk here.
Okay, so I think what we are going to do, we are going to mix.
So we will start with our wet ingredients. We start with the eggs, our vanilla essence, our margarine here, so we're going to use our mixer. We have a mixer. So you can see we have a good mixture over here. Okay, now add our sugar, 1 cup. So this is our ready mixture. It is here. That is what we are using, the hand electric mixture. So now we are mixing our baking powder with our flour. So that is it. So we are adding our flour to our wet ingredients little by little as we mix up. So this is our mixture. So here I have 1 cup of milk. I'm going to add sugar. You can use a mixture if you prefer that, or you can do things. It's not really hard, it's actually pretty simple. You have to be very careful with the milk, not to overdo the mixture. So in the same process, we preheat our oven for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes is enough. Should be 180 degrees. And then you should make sure that the heat is going both sides, up and down, to the bottom and to the top part. So that is it. So the next step is oiling our baking tins. baking tins are ready. Our mixture is here, so ready. So we start with this baking tin. Can put it up to there after to give it room to rise. Then we to make sure the mixture settles well and to avoid air. My baby boy can get pretty loud where he wants to. And now to the oven. So we can put this to the far end, and then this over here. Or you can put them like this to avoid too much heat from the inner side. Yeah, now we have our ready. Then we're gonna set our cake to 45 minutes now. Yeah, that is. Now we wait. So this is our ready cake. You can see the knife is clear. You can see our knife is clear.
So guys, we have come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Goodbye.